Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechMechanic. So today I fixed it. So okay, nice. Broken or out. Okay. So okay. Wait for cold and slowly I'll move it. Now it is working good perfectly. Okay. Okay. Wow. So guys, solve problem you easy to work perfectly. Okay, cool. So guys, this is tab on tab and new tab. So this is yeah. So this round are okay. Yes. Yeah. So guys, okay. And finally done. So work perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe TechMechanic YouTube channel. Thank you, tata, bye bye.